Hi everyone! Today we are going to make a Chinese-style bread. This bread makes for a sweet dessert or a great breakfast loaf. It contains a flavorful, sweet filling. This recipe will make 2 loaves of bread. Now let's get started. To make the dough, mix the dry yeast, sugar, and water together and set it aside for about 10 minutes. We will use a stand mixer to make the dough. Place the bread flour and salt into the mixer. Crack in 2 eggs. Add the milk, cream, and the yeast mixture. First, mix it on low speed. When it's been combined, speed it up until it forms a ball. Now add the butter and mix until it's smooth once more. If needed, you can add some flour to make it less sticky. The wall of the stand mixer should be clean. Brush a little oil on the surface. Then cover the dough and leave it somewhere warm until it doubles in size. This may take anywhere from 1 to 2 hours, depending on your room temperature. Now let's make the filling. These are the ingredients that you will need. Sift the icing sugar into a medium-sized bowl. Add the room temperature unsalted butter and mix it until it comes together. Add 15 grams of the beaten egg and mix. Add another 15 grams of the beaten egg, mixing well. Then add the milk powder and stir again. The filling is now done. Once the dough is ready, knead it and divide it into 2 pieces, then round them out. Roll it out into a roughly rectangular shape, about 14 by 20 centimeters. Roll it from the short side. Then roll it out again into a rectangular shape that's about 14 by 20 centimeters. Place the filling onto the middle of the sheet. And once again, roll it from the short side. Place them in the loaf pans, making sure to keep the side with a seam underneath. Set them aside for half an hour. While you wait, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Before putting them in the oven, brush the bread with the leftover beaten egg from the filling. Put them in the oven, baking for 25 to 30 minutes or until they turn golden. And you're done! This bread is soft, sweet, and mouth-wateringly delicious. Enjoy! Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.